Fascinating fact, please like and subscribe. Petroleum about 300 million years ago. The conditions for the subsequent formation of petroleum, mineral oil, were established in shallow coastal waters by the teeming tiny creatures and plants that lived and died in vast numbers. The ooze formed on the bottom by the remains of these organisms were unable to decompose because of lack of oxygen as a result of climatic changes. These coastal areas became buried under layers of earth, and the organic remains were subjected to high pressures and temperatures over periods of millions of years. The fats, carbohydrates, and proteins were thereby subjected to conditions in which they were decomposed and underwent extensive chemical changes. As a result of these changes, a large number of compounds were formed which all enter into the composition of petroleum: alkanes, aromatic compounds, sulfur compounds, etc. As the conditions of decomposition varied from one region to another, petroleum found in different parts of the world tends to vary considerably in composition. In some places, the decomposition was a very intensive process, with the result that natural gas and petroleum, particularly rich in aromatic compounds, benzene derivatives, were formed. In addition to pressure and heat, it is certain that catalysts, ferments, and especially bacteria have affected the chemical composition of petroleum crude oils. The world's petroleum reserves are estimates at upward of 40 million tons, and production is running at well over 1 million tons per year. Unless extensive new deposits are found under the seas in desert regions, it seems likely that the world's recoverable reserves of petroleum will be exhausted in something like half a century from now. A vast variety of products is obtained from petroleum: petrol, gasoline for aircraft and vehicles, fuel oil for heating and steam raising, diesel oil, etc. Also, numerous organic chemicals are manufactured from petroleum and are processed into a wide range of products: synthetic rubber, pesticides, synthetic fibers, solvents, etc. Large-scale exploitation of the world's petroleum reserves started about 100 years ago and is now a major factor in the power resources available to modern man.